Gonna see if I can fire up this old Mitsubishi excavator. I want to take it over to the garage and I want to cut out the top of the weight and get the sand out because the scrapyard does not want that. See if I can get it fired up. I'll just give it some nose candy instead of using the glow plugs. Just give it some. See if I can start it with a screwdriver. Take this screwdriver. For some reason the key doesn't work. Uh-oh. An old Mitsubishi MS-280. It runs and most of the things work, but this one oil pump is bad and you cannot buy any parts for it. So I'm gonna try to haul it off to the scrap yard. Might as well go rev it a couple times. Here's the throttle. Dipper stick works. Uh-oh. Boom valve must be frozen. Basically, dipper stick works. Bucket curl is on the other bad pump, and it just barely tips back. And it only has one track that drives, and it's weak anyway. I cannot buy any parts for it. Gonna get my Chinese plasma cutter and see if I can cut the top of that weight block off. See what's in it. My plasma cutter. Put it on the junk pile down there and start cutting the top of this weight block off. We got a little ways to go. And I want to see what is in there and see if I want to send it along and scrap, but I think it's nothing with scrap value. Looks like some kind of metal powder, and it does not have any scrap value, so I will just clean it out and probably dump it on my driveway.